Hey there, lizard lovers! Today, we're diving into the wild world of lizards. These fascinating creatures are the largest group in the reptile family, with over 6,000 members. From tiny geckos to massive Komodo dragons, lizards are full of surprises. So let's get started with 11 rare, fun, and strange facts about lizards. Lizards are masters of survival, honed by millennia of evolution. One of the most fascinating adaptations is the ability of some lizards to detach their tails when caught by surprise. This remarkable reflex, known as autonomy, is a lifesaver for these small creatures. Imagine a hungry predator closing in on a tasty lizard. Just when it seems like all hope is lost, the lizard's tail detaches. The predator, confused and distracted by the wriggling tail, may hesitate for just a moment. And that's all the lizard needs to make its escape. Over time, the lost tail regenerates, allowing the lizard to regain its agility. This incredible ability is just one example of the remarkable resilience of these creatures. From the sun-baked deserts of Africa to the humid rainforests of South America, lizards have made their home in almost every corner of our planet. In the scorching deserts, where temperatures soar and water is scarce, lizards have developed ingenious ways to survive. Some, like the thorny devil of Australia, have evolved specialized scales that collect dew, channeling precious moisture to their mouths. Others, like the Gila Monster of the American Southwest, store water in their tails, providing sustenance during long periods of drought. Venture into the lush rainforests, and you'll find an entirely different cast of lizard characters. Take, for instance, the chameleon, a master of disguise, blending seamlessly into its surroundings. Their ability to change color is not just about camouflage, but also plays a role in communication and temperature regulation. They are an integral part of these ecosystems, playing vital roles as both predator and prey. Water, the elixir of life, is essential for the survival of most creatures on Earth. But in the arid deserts, where rainfall is a rare and precious commodity, some lizards have evolved an extraordinary ability. They can go their entire lives without drinking a single drop of water. Their diet, consisting primarily of insects, provides a surprising source of hydration. Insects, despite their crunchy exterior, contain a surprising amount of water, especially in their juicy larvae stage. Unlike mammals, which lose a significant amount of water through urination, lizards excrete uric acid, a semi-solid waste product that requires minimal water loss. Their scales, unlike the porous skin of amphibians, act as a barrier, preventing water loss through evaporation. Their kidneys, highly efficient at filtering waste products, further minimize water loss. However, most lizards, especially those from more temperate climates, require fresh water to thrive. Now, before you go thinking that all lizards are harmless creatures content to bask in the sun and munch on insects, let's address the dragon in the desert. While the vast majority of lizards pose no threat to humans, there are a few exceptions to this rule. The first contender on our list of lizards to admire from a safe distance is the Gila Monster. Found in the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, the Gila Monster is a creature of formidable size, reaching lengths of up to 2 feet. Its striking black and orange coloration serves as a warning to potential predators, but its real weapon lies in its venomous saliva. Unlike snakes, which inject venom through hollow fangs, the Gila Monster delivers its toxic cocktail through grooves in its teeth. A bite from this reptile is excruciatingly painful and can be fatal if left untreated. In the animal kingdom, camouflage is a matter of life and death. And then there are the chameleons, masters of disguise, who take camouflage to a whole new level. These enigmatic reptiles are renowned for their ability to change color, a feat that has captivated humans for centuries. But contrary to popular belief, chameleons don't change color to match their surroundings. Rather, their color-changing abilities are primarily used for communication and temperature regulation. Beneath their scales lies a complex layer of specialized cells called chromatophores. These cells contain pigments that reflect light, giving the chameleon its vibrant hues. By manipulating the pigments within these cells, chameleons can alter their skin color in a matter of seconds. When a chameleon wants to attract a mate or ward off a rival, It displays a dazzling array of bright colors. In the world of lizards, few are as instantly recognizable as the gecko. These small, agile reptiles have captivated humans for centuries with their uncanny ability to scale smooth surfaces, seemingly defying gravity with every step. But the gecko's secrets lie not in magic but in the intricate design of their toes. Unlike our hands, which rely on friction to grip objects, gecko toes are covered in millions of microscopic hairs called setae. These setae are so small that they can interact with the molecules of any surface, creating a weak attractive force known as van der Waals forces. Each seta branches out into hundreds of even smaller hair-like structures called spatulae. This remarkable adaptation allows geckos to climb walls, ceilings, and even smooth glass with ease. In the animal kingdom, eyes are windows to the soul, revealing a glimpse into the inner workings of a creature's mind. And when it comes to eyes, few are as captivating and perplexing as those of the chameleon. These masters of disguise possess a unique visual system that sets them apart from all other reptiles. Their eyes, perched atop conical turrets, can move independently of each other, allowing them to scan their surroundings in two directions simultaneously. Imagine being able to keep an eye on your lunch while also scanning for potential threats. That's the reality for chameleons, whose eyes grant them a near 360-degree field of vision. Chameleons also possess exceptional visual acuity, allowing them to spot prey from distances of up to 30 feet. In the unforgiving landscapes of the American Southwest, where survival is a daily struggle, the Texas horned lizard has evolved an arsenal of bizarre and effective defense mechanisms to deter predators. Its armored body, adorned with sharp spines, provides passive protection. But its most unsettling defense mechanism is the ability to squirt blood from its eyes. When threatened, this unassuming lizard can increase the blood pressure in its head to such an extent that it ruptures tiny blood vessels around its eyes, spraying a jet of blood at its attacker. This gruesome defense mechanism, while unsettling to us, is highly effective at deterring predators. The blood, laced with a foul-tasting chemical, irritates the eyes and nostrils of potential attackers, sending them fleeing in search of a less troublesome meal. When confronted by a predator, it can inflate its body, making itself appear larger and more intimidating. Water, the lifeblood of our planet, is an insurmountable barrier for most terrestrial creatures. But in the rainforests of Central and South America, a remarkable lizard has evolved an uncanny ability that seems to defy the laws of physics. It can run on water. The Basilisk Lizard, also known as the Jesus Christ lizard for its seemingly miraculous ability, can sprint across the surface of water for distances of up to 15 feet. The basilisk lizard's feet are equipped with large, scaly fringes on their toes. These fringes, normally held folded against their toes, spread out when the lizard strikes the water's surface, increasing the surface area of its feet and allowing it to momentarily stand on water. The basilisk lizard can generate enough force with its legs to propel itself forward before its feet sink beneath the surface. This incredible adaptation allows the basilisk lizard to escape predators, catch prey, and even travel across small bodies of water with ease. In the animal kingdom, food is a precious commodity, and most creatures spend a significant portion of their lives searching for their next meal. But in the arid regions of Mexico, the Mexican bearded lizard has evolved an extraordinary adaptation that allows it to survive on just 3 meals a year. This remarkable lizard can go months without eating, relying on its fat reserves to sustain itself during times of scarcity. During the rainy season, when food is abundant, these lizards gorge themselves on insects, storing excess energy as fat in their tails. These fat reserves, like a biological savings account, provide sustenance during the long, dry months when food is scarce. The Mexican bearded lizard's metabolism slows to a crawl, conserving energy and allowing it to survive on its fat stores for months on end. Lizards, with their scaly skin and preference for terrestrial habitats, are not typically associated with aquatic environments. But in the Galapagos Islands, a volcanic archipelago off the coast of Ecuador, a remarkable lizard has broken free from its terrestrial constraints and taken to the sea. The Marine Galapagos lizard, the only lizard species known to forage for food in the ocean, is a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible adaptability of life. Unlike its land-dwelling relatives, the Marine Galapagos lizard has evolved a number of adaptations that allow it to thrive in its marine environment. Its flattened tail, resembling that of a sea snake, helps it propel itself through the water with ease. The Marine Galapagos lizard can remain submerged for up to an hour, foraging for algae, its primary food source. And there you have it, folks. Lizards are truly amazing creatures with some incredible abilities. Whether they're running on water or changing colors, there's always something new to learn about these fascinating reptiles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more awesome animal facts. Until next time, stay curious.